The medicine ball is one of the simplest tools when getting a challenging full body workout. In this video, I'll be showing you exercises you can do with just one medicine ball to help take your training to the next level. Coming up. What's up? Karl here with Thrive Athletic Online, bringing you the best training tips and tools to help you go further faster on your fitness journey. And on this channel, we do a ton of training videos to help you get leaner, stronger, and improve your body's overall performance. So if that's something you're looking to achieve, consider subscribing. And also, any equipment used in this video will be linked in the description below. you found those exercises useful, but we're here with the question of the day. Do you utilize medicine balls in your workouts? And if so, how often? Let me know in the comment section below. So thanks for checking out this video. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. If you want to see more content like this where we give you exercise variations, make sure you check out these videos. Until next time, peace.